Gamma has just released a new update, Visual Variety with Gamma 3.0. This version puts a strong focus on how presentations and documents look and feel. Here's what's new in Gamma 3.0. A wider range of themes, fonts, and templates, giving you more flexibility in design. Fresh visualizations and layouts to better showcase your content. The ability to present the same material in completely different styles, from formal business formats to creative and minimalist looks. And a much simpler way to adjust designs, without long menus or complex settings. In their latest video, Gamma demonstrates exactly that, how identical content can be transformed into multiple versions, shifting seamlessly from strict and professional to modern and creative. Gamma 3.0 is all about visual variety, making it easier than ever to match your style to your message. Replit has just introduced Connectors, a brand new system that makes integrating with external services faster and easier. With Connectors, your apps can now link directly to platforms like Google, Notion, Dropbox, and many more. So what does this mean in practice? First, you get one-click connect. Log in once, and the service is available across all your apps. Second, integrations are built on official SDKs, making them reliable and secure. And third, they feel native, as if these functions were built right into your app. The benefits are clear. You can launch integrated applications in minutes, enjoy secure connections without manual key management, and control all your integrations from a single place. Luma has just unveiled new capabilities of Ray 3, releasing a short video series called This is Ray 3. The focus is on showing the model's strongest features. First, detail nuance. Ray 3 is able to preserve the smallest details and textures, delivering visuals with outstanding fidelity and realism. Second, complex crowds. The model can handle layered, dynamic scenes with many characters and movements, while still staying visually stable and coherent. And here's the best part. These capabilities aren't just coming soon. They're already available today inside Dream Machine. Ray 3 shows how far generative visuals have come. Sharper details, greater complexity, and an experience that feels more true to life than ever. OpenAI has introduced Sora 2, the next generation model for creating both video and audio. So what's new? First, video generation now comes with synchronized speech and effects. Second, the physics feel more realistic, giving better control and motion. Third, Sora 2 supports complex instructions and multi-shot scenes. And finally, it can generate dialogues and sound effects with impressive accuracy. Access is rolling out gradually. The Sora app for iOS is already available in the App Store, starting in the US and Canada, with more countries to follow. The base model is free to explore, with generous limits depending on resources. And ChatGPT Pro users get access to Sora 2 Pro, offering higher quality outputs, available through Sora.com and soon in the app itself. Anthropic has just introduced Claude Sonnet 4.5, the updated version of its Claude model. It's already available through the Claude API with the same pricing as before. So what's new in this release? First, code checkpoints. You can now save progress and return to earlier versions of your code. Second, the Claude Developer Kit, which includes a terminal interface, a VS Code extension, and an SDK for more flexible workflows. Third, autonomy improvements. Claude can now carry out action chains with less step-by-step prompting. And finally, it handles longer contexts and more complex tasks, which is especially useful for coding and deep analysis. Anthropic describes Sonnet 4.5 as a step toward more autonomous AI assistance, built to work with code and files in a smoother, more powerful way. Higgsfield has officially launched WAN 2.5, their latest video generation model with synchronized audio. In the official launch video, we see cinematic scenes brought to life, dynamic movement, atmosphere, and sound all working together. So, what do we know about WAN 2.5? It supports full 1080p video and includes audio generation, from speech to background noise. It's positioned as a more accessible alternative to Google's VO3, and the launch video highlights its strengths: smooth dynamics, accurate synchronization, and impressive visual quality. Higgsfield also announced a special promotion, unlimited WAN 2.5 usage, available until the end of the month. The model is already live in paid tiers, including Basic, Pro, and Ultimate.